Coke boy, baby. Coke boy, baby.
And I had a dream about my old school. And she's there all pink and gold and glittering.
Yeah.
I threw my arms around her legs.
It's the intro.
Came to weak.
Huh? Hey. What?
Came to weak.
Broke nigga dream. Turn a rich nigga nightmare. What? Check. Montana. Cheese. Flip. Drink tank. Montana. What?
La música de Harry Fraud.
There they go. Look, can't fuck with us, man. Look, we the hottest in the games, how I feel. You ain't fucking with my teams, how I feel. Tell your bitch I call up when I feel. Kill you fuck niggas anytime I feel like living for the night. Now I don't give a fuck if it's only for the night. Dawg, feeling it. About the time we're going. Nigga, this that dope boy and dawg, feeling it. About the time we're going. Montana. Hey, started do or die. Not a dog suicide. Blogs get you crucified. Niggas choose a side. Climbing up the ladder with a bladder full of drink. Working the attic, mathematics, fuck the thing. Can't die with it. All this money I'ma blow. I'ma stack it to the ceiling. That Ferrari sitting low. Baby mama drama. 100 missed calls. Niggas talking about their drama. I wake up in the morning, nigga. Everybody want it. Can I live? Give a fuck about tomorrow's how I feel. When you ballin', everybody wanna part, nigga. But even your shadow gon' leave you when it's dark, nigga. Can't beat it, I'm what the game needed. Told my nigga boss down, gon' take it to trial, beat it. Nothing to lose, tattoos around my gun room. Gon' point the best out, we gon' run through. And they gon' get a house coming to him. His own mama won't recognize him when it's done to him. Back against the wind, just me against the world, baby. Body numb full of drugs, help my nerves, baby. Montana Mike when it's crunch time. I done seen death twice, ducking one time. PJs to the PJ. Can't fuck with us, man. You niggas washed up. Niggas don't wanna wake up and look like donkey. We the hottest in the games, how I feel. You ain't fucking with my teams, how I feel. Tell your bitch I call up when I feel. Kill you fuck niggas anytime I feel like living for the night. Now I don't give a fuck if it's only for the night. Dawg, feeling it. About the time we're going. Nigga, this that dope boy and dawg, feeling it. About the time we're going. Montana. Montana.
Coke boy, baby.
Real nigga radio. Growing up, my mama explained the difference between fame and notoriety. See, fame is when people know you. Notoriety is when people know your work. And notoriety leave a legacy. When they talk about us, when they talk about Bigger Rankin, when they talk about Lucci, when they talk about T.I.G., some will hate, some will cheer. All will know one thing. My nigga Nut, we came in and changed the music game forever.
Lately I've been chasing paper, chasing guap. Yeah. Lately I've been feeling like fuck a hater, fuck a cop. Yeah. That's why lately I've been heartless, yeah. Lately I've been heartless, yeah. All got your bitch and she telling me all your whereabouts. Loading the cake, I can't wait to go and spray one at it. I've been hustling all day, trying to get that cake up out it all day. All day, I've been riding with it all day. It ain't got no safe, it ain't got no safe day. Y'all nigga play it safe, we gon' hit you safe, yeah. I got niggas in MIA and they'll hit your face. I've been a thug all my life, wanted to plug all my life. We had to move around with them pipes, we had to shoot it out all night. Ain't no pressure about no beef, no we love dinner. Fuck nigga, don't make me put a slug in. Lately I've been chasing paper, chasing guap. Yeah, yeah. Lately I've been feeling like fuck a hater, fuck a cop. Yeah, yeah. I swear lately I've been heartless, yeah. Lately I've been heartless, yeah.
Relocated, got a bigger palace on the water. Pull up to the club, I toss valet a couple hundred. Women in abundance, gotta fuck them by appointment. Pray that bundle come from Haiti, I'ma give you what you wanted. I fucked her in the park, now we fucking on the jet. You fucking with my squad, I'ma put that shit to rest. Study all these niggas, cause this life is just a test. I need my 100 million, you can't tell me nothing less. They gave my nigga 10, lawyer said he did his best. These streets ain't where you wanna be, and Rose told you that. The only natural talent niggas had was being violent. If a nigga take my life, I pray he see me smiling. Boss.
Lately I've been chasing paper, chasing guap. Yeah, yeah. Lately I've been feeling like fuck a hater, fuck a cop. Yeah, yeah. I swear lately I've been heartless, yeah. Lately I've been heartless, yeah.
Thing in this town, man. Y'all bad down, man.